Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Discord to Google Authenticator. So guys, at first go to your Play Store and then you need to download this app. And after downloading, open this app. Now tap on Get Started. Now tap on Scan a QR code. Tap on Allow. Now open Discord on your PC. Now go to your profile settings. Now tap on Enable Two-Factor Auth. Then you need to enter your Discord password here. After entering, just tap on Continue. Then scan this QR code from your Google Authentication app and then you will get 6-digit code. And you have to enter this code here. Then you have to tap on Active. And then your Discord account will be added to your Google Authenticator. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.